Well, this may be the strangest year in the lifetime of anyone still breathing, 2020, but it could get even stranger. It turns out that chaos here on Earth has not brought an end to unusual sights above us in the sky. Last week in California, an eyewitness observed about 100 small white orbs hovering above. Were they balloons, birds, something more? We don't know. We might know more if we had more information from the Pentagon. They've been studying UFOs carefully for more than a decade. But even now, they are keeping what they are finding to themselves and themselves only. There appears to be no systematic sharing of intelligence between the Pentagon and our intelligence agencies, and that's very odd. At least conceivably, UFOs may not be from space. No one at the Pentagon believes this. They think they are from space, but at least within the realm of possibility, they could be from China or another one of this country's enemies. So we should find out. This week, the Senate Intelligence Committee took a step toward fixing that. They voted to require the Defense Department to compile and release a detailed report explaining everything it knows about unexplained aerial phenomena. We hope that happens. We have no faith that it actually will, but we are rooting for it. And of course, if and when that report does come out, you will hear about it here first. For many years, you've heard people say, oh, it's just UFO craziness. That was our position too. But it's not all craziness. There are things we don't know, and we also know that our authorities enthusiastically lie to us. So it's worth pressing them because